Ladies and gentlemen,
You're rocking with the best.
Got the scoop. I fuck with got the scoop.
Thank you, Got the Scoop. I love you.
We got the scoop in here. Like, oh, it is vibey.
I got the juice.
What up, guys? It's your girl Shay from Got the Scoop, and we're about to get into your boy Roland Ray saying that Nicki Minaj owes PNB Rock's baby mama an apology for her comments, even though Nicki Minaj didn't direct anything towards her, but still feel like she needs to go ahead over there and apologize to baby girl. Make sure you smash that like button, make sure you turn in notifications, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay in the loop with Got the Scoop and you don't miss none of our videos, okay? Okay, now let's go. So your boy Roland Ray decided to go on Twitter and he wrote, Nicki Minaj owes PNB girlfriend an apology on some grown women shit. If you guys remember, when everything went down with PNB Rock, Nicki Minaj made a comment. It was just a general statement. It wasn't towards anybody. But Nicki Minaj said, after Pop Smoke, there's no way we as rappers or our loved ones are still posting locations to our whereabouts. To show some waffles and some fried chicken, he was such a pleasure to work with. Condolences to his mom and family. This makes me feel so sick. Jesus. SIP, PNB Rock. The people around these rappers gain so much, it's time to start really reminding them over and over. At least try to put your foot down if you care. Tell them you are not loved like you think you are. You're a prey in a world full of predators. What's not clicking? Some people on social media felt away because they felt like why Nicki Minaj didn't say, oh, condolences to his baby mama and his family, being that she was there to witness some traumatic incidents and, like, you know, in front of her eyes. And another thing a lot of people said when they saw her talking about the chicken and waffles, they tried to insinuate that because of the posting is how the killers end up coming to the Waffle House. I'm not going to single Nicki Minaj out because everybody on the internet was making accusations and making assumptions and thinking it was because of the post. But when Nicki Minaj posted this statement, she made a general statement to let people know that you need to stop posting your locations. There's a lot of other artists as well that went online and talked about not posting your location. So I don't know why people was coming to Nicki Minaj and say, oh, she need to do this, she need to do that. Y'all ain't saying nothing to Kodak Black, and that boy's over there blatantly being disrespectful. 6ix9ine is doing whatever he want to do. There's a lot of people doing shit. Whack 100, you over there like in so many shady situations and shady posts about this PNB Rock situation. It got me side-eyeing everybody. Guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you think your boy Roland Ray was right and believed that Nicki Minaj owes PNB Rock baby mama apology? Or do you think Nicki Minaj didn't say anything wrong? I honestly feel like Nicki Minaj said a general statement. She didn't say she was the cause of anything, and I feel like everybody loves to pick on Nicki Minaj, always have her in a sense of everything negative, and it's like getting tiring. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys for fucking with me, because I fuck with y'all, and until next time, bye.
I got the juice.